Hapakani windmill kadang terikam. Te boleh manding pat siang mani.
Kan tipis no meh mga. Mia ke meh wasna.
Be, kabiang ta.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu Pynbna am katong manlong kita kinong siat hagi hotel dan hagi restoran ibapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong yang katong kejongpi. Ke emission kelap le bani ai ki course ki bapel kadon ke degree course ke diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Presiden ke United Democratic Party ubaman paling doa haka arpu arterik jemang aja penriong. Uloong baka parti ka sa Shimmy karay Hapoh Sngi ban Pynbna Kyrtong na bantaka election MP Shiteng Samoi na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Haka jingkran bagilap say kubor ubaman paling doa ulay tu. Bagila don gi amalie nakaparti ki papenpaw ya kaman bagidon ke jing angnut banyak honya ke election. Hanya kani ka parti kan sa Shimmy karay.
The party has already initiated the selection of a candidate for this MP by-election for the Shillong seat. But that part is still under process. And we are yet to come to a conclusion perhaps maybe in just about another day or two.
So how many applications you have, sir?
It's not a matter of application, in fact. We have 2-3 friends who are interested to field this election. So as I've said, we are yet to take a decision. So accordingly, maybe in a day or two. Talk is on as far as that is concerned with the RDA. And let's see. That also perhaps maybe the day or two. I think it's a very timely decision that we want to take, and we will do that. No, I don't think we will go by that. In fact, first of all, I think we have to look at the person, whether somebody is just interested to bring him as a candidate, or he himself also wishes to be a candidate, fighting the election. And we would like to see also what is the agenda that he has with him or her, whoever the candidates are. And we have to see that he really means to give that kind of service to the people if being elected.
So is Advocate VGP Kinta one of the contenders?
There are many names there, but we are, as I've said the other day, that I will definitely update you at the appropriate time. And since most of them, they would like to see that the decision is being made at the party level first, and then after that we will definitely inform everyone. See, MDA is a government. In fact, it's the coalition of many political parties. But as far as the party matters is concerned, we have our own thing is concerned, and all the parties are definitely working towards the interests of the state as a whole. So it all depends from time to time. See, every day is not Sunday. Okay. And if I would like to tell here to everyone that in the last MP election was in fact the worst performed year for the party and RDA as alliance. But if you look at the MDC election, just 1 year after that, we have recovered, by 1 lakh plus additional votes to RKT, UDP alone, I would say. So that itself has really convinced us. And this time, when we go around, there are a lot of demand from the people based on the political situation in the state. The demand is as such that UDP should field their own candidates.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.